Are you one who thinks that sunsets and sunrises need to have beautiful clouds to be dramatic and beautiful? Most of the videos on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/inspirationalsheila, are that way. This is tonight's sunset at Cay Wetlands, and I'm calling it a pastel sunset for quiet and beauty and joy, along with the music of Corey Keisler. Wishing you peace and tranquility. Sheila Finkelstein, YourUntoldStories.com and TreasureYourLifeNow.com. Love and peace always. Check the description below this video on YouTube to see how you too can connect with Corey Keisler at Corey'sPiano.com and me, Sheila Finkelstein, at YourUntoldStories.com. See how you too can make videos such as this. Thank you for watching.